Using if. If can start a sentence like, if we go by bus, it'll be cheaper. If you don't hurry, you'll miss the train. If you're hungry, have something to eat. If the phone rings, can you answer it, please? Or it can come in the middle as well. It'll be cheaper if we go by bus. You'll miss the train if you don't hurry. I'm going to the concert if I can get a ticket. Is it okay if I use your phone? So, we often just say the if part when speaking. For example, are you going to the concert? Yes, if I can get a ticket. After if, we use the present tense, not will. So we cannot say if I will go, we need to say if I go. If you see Anne tomorrow, can you ask her to call me? If I'm late this evening, don't wait for me. What shall we do if it rains? If I don't feel well tomorrow, I'll stay at home. So there is a difference between if and when. If means like it's possible something will happen, but not sure. If I go out, I'll close the windows. It means maybe I will, but not sure. Are you going out later? Maybe. When means it will happen for sure. When I go out, I'll close the windows. So it's like I have planned to go out later. When I get home this evening, I'm going to have a shower. If I'm late this evening, don't wait for me. We are going to play tennis if it doesn't rain. So let's try to complete these sentences. If you don't hurry, so for the rest of the sentence, we can use any model or any future simple tense, that's something that's suitable. If you don't hurry, you'll be late. If you pass the exam, you'll get a certificate. If you fail the exam, you can do it again. If you don't want this magazine, I'll throw it away. If you want those pictures, you can have them. If you're busy now, we can talk later. If you're hungry, we can have lunch now. If you need money, I can lend you some. So again, with if, we do not use will. If I am late, we can't say if I'll be late. That would be wrong. If I'm late this evening, don't wait for me. Will you call me if I give you my phone number? If there is a fire, the alarm will ring. If I don't see you tomorrow morning, I'll call you in the evening. I'll be surprised if Martin and Jane get married. Will you go to the party if they invite you? Let's use our own ideas. I'm going to the concert if I can get a ticket. If you don't hurry, you'll miss the train. I don't want to disturb you if you're busy. If you go to bed early tonight, you'll feel better in the morning. Turn the television off if you're not watching it. Tina won't pass her exams if she doesn't study. If I have time tomorrow, I'll go and see Chris. We can go to the beach tomorrow if the weather is good. I'll be surprised if it rains today. Now let's decide whether to use if or when. So if we're sure, we use when. If we're not sure, like possible, we use if. If I'm late this evening, don't wait for me. I'm going to do some shopping now. When I come back, we can have lunch. I'm thinking of going to see Tim. If I go, will you come with me? If you don't want to go out tonight, we can stay at home. Is it okay if I close the window? John is still at school. When he leaves school, he wants to go to college. Shall we have a picnic tomorrow if the weather is good? We're going to Madrid next week. We haven't got anywhere to stay. We hope to find a hotel when we get there. I don't know what we'll do if we don't find a room. So, in today's lesson, we learned that we can use if to talk about a condition that something will happen, and we use when we are like sure something will happen. That's it. Thank you so much. Have a good one.